In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create an account on the Nintendo eShop on your PC. So let's just get straight into the video. Open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Nintendo eShop just like that and click on the first link. And now you're going to be taken to this page, which is where you can purchase a lot of things, your game, even your consoles, Pokemon, and so on. Now, all you need to do is click on login or sign up on the top right. And as we are creating an account, simply click on sign up. All you need to do is enter your date of birth right over here. I'm just going to go ahead and enter a random one, let's just say. And now all you need to do is enter all these details. So your nickname, your email address, and then password and confirm it. And then your gender and country or region and click on submit. They're going to send you a verification code to the email that you provided. When you simply enter that verification code back here, then your account will be created. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.